Attention woodworkers, if you'd like to learn the fine art of woodworking and develop a rewarding trade, the Schenectady Woodworkers Club is designed especially for you. Together with professional cabinet and furniture makers, you'll learn a wide variety of woodworking skills and techniques that could save you years of self-teaching and frustration. As a member of the Schenectady Woodworkers Club, you'll also purchase all of your woodworking supplies at discount prices. And cash-paying jobs are almost always available. Memberships are limited. The Schenectady Woodworkers Club, 804 Strong Street, Schenectady.